factories make products and ship them out. Cells have many factories in them that do the same work. But what do they make and how are they shipped out? Find out in this video. Complex multicellular organisms, like human beings, have numerous organs. All of these organs are made of the living units called cells. An inside view of the cell shows that it is filled with a dense fluid called cytoplasm. Several organelles are seen interspersed in this cytoplasm. The nucleus is spherical and the most prominent organelle of the cell. Adjacent to the nucleus is an extensive interconnected network of flattened sacs. This is the Endoplasmic Reticulum Er. Each sac is known as a cisterna. It is a membrane-bound structure enclosing a cavity called the lumen. Numerous small round organelles called ribosomes are attached to its walls, giving it a rough appearance. Thus, this endoplasmic reticulum is called the rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. These ribosomes are the sites for protein synthesis. Attached to the RER is a network of tubular systems called the SER, or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It has a smooth surface as it is devoid of ribosomes. The SER helps in detoxification of many endogenous compounds and is also involved with the biosynthesis of lipids. Close to the ER, we can find another membranous structure called the Golgi Body. It consists of flattened sacs called cisternae, the cluster of tubules and small vesicles. The Golgi body and ER are functionally related. Secretory proteins secreted from the ER are transported to the Golgi body, where they are absorbed and processed. After this, small vesicles are pinched off from the Golgi bodies, and these are some of the important proteins required by the cell. The mRNA synthesized in the nucleus moves out into the cytoplasm. The cytoplasmic ribosomes bind to the mRNA strand and the vital process of protein synthesis occurs. Let's summarize. The cell is the structural and functional unit of the human body. The nucleus is the most prominent organelle of the cell. Adjacent to the nucleus lies the extensive network of rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The RER biosynthesizes the proteins which are absorbed by the Golgi body. They are processed and finally pinched off as small vesicles. The mRNA works for protein synthesis in the cell. So, each cell has various organelles which help it to synthesize proteins internally. The RER protein factory is quite efficient. Now, right after the protein is made, it gets shipped off by the Golgi body right next to it. This is like having a factory and the post office next to each other. Now, making proteins is important stuff. But where do they get the materials to make the proteins? Keep exploring to find out.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.